software installation. Now let's take a look at the appearance of the product. The black box is SVCI2019 and the red box is SVCI2020. The two products have different colors on both sides of the exterior, and the software functions are also quite different. The hosts on both sides in red are SVCI2020. The hosts on both sides in black are SVCI2019. Having just introduced the product appearance, we now introduce the installation of the product software. Step 1. Go to the official website download page to download the software. The software on the download page is the latest version of the software. You can download any software for free on the download page. If you already have an account, please log in on the left. If you don't have an account, please register on the right. I have registered an account on the website, so I can log in directly. After successful login, the page will jump to the dashboard page. You need to manually click the download navigation menu to enter the download page. This is the SVCI2019 and SVCI2020 software I have downloaded. The SVCI2019 software is very easy to install. First, we unzip the SVCI2019 software and then double-click the executable file in the folder. Default click Next all the time and the installation will take about 8 minutes. Now that the software is installed, we click the SVCI2019 software shortcut to launch the software. After installing the software, we need to connect the device to the computer via USB cable. Now let's try to open VVDI software. When you open VVDI software, you need to insert the blue tag into the device. If you do not insert the device software, some error will be reported. Here is the way to open the demo software, so I did not connect the blue tag. It will report several errors later, and the demo is normal. SVCI2019 added VW BMW Mercedes new software on the basis of SVCI2018. SVCI2019 VWG software has 3 versions. The latest software is V37.0. Let me show it now. Selected VW Audi Skoda seat icon and then selected the software version. And click Continue. It will take about 1 minute to start the software. Please be patient. The VAG V37.0 software has been loaded. Let's take a look at the new version of the software. The interface and operation are the same as the old version. Selected BMW icon. Let's take a look at BMW software. There are two versions of BMW software. The latest version is V10.5. Check it out. It also takes about a minute for the software to load. BMW V10.5 software is loaded. And the interface and operation are the same also as the old version. Now we exit the software. Selected Mercedes icon. V10.8 software was added on the original basis. Select the V10.8 software and click Continue to load the latest version of Mercedes. The software interface is the same as the old version. Nothing to look at. Let's exit. Let's test the other software randomly, such as Renault. Open the Renault software. We can see that the old versions of Renault and other software as same as with SVCI2018 contains version. By the way, the new version of SVCI2019 includes only basic features, not special features, whereas the older version software includes special features. In summary, SVCI2019 is an upgraded version of the SVCI2018 replacement solution device. SVCI2019 does not require network activation. It will not lose the serial number to cause device locking machine, and it can be used permanently. SVCI2019 software and SVCI2020 software cannot be installed in the same computer at the same time. Now we uninstall the SVCI2019 software and install the SVCI2020 software. Before installing the SVCI2020 software, we need to unplug the previously connected SVCI2019 device and then uninstall the SVCI2020 software. First, extract the SVCI2020 software package we have downloaded. Unzip, then go to the folder, double-click the .exe executable to install the software. Click Next by default on the installation screen all the time. After the software is installed, we need to connect the device to the computer via USB cable. Now we open the SVCI2020 software. The software interface is similar to the previous software interface, but we can distinguish the software from the upper left corner. Now we open the SVCI2020 software. The software interface is similar to the previous software interface, but we can distinguish the software from the upper left corner. This is VAG V37.0 software. This version of the software contains no special features, only basic features. This is BMW's latest software V10.5. The latest software has no special functions, only basic functions. All the higher version of SVCI2020 software are same, they only contains basics functions.